Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, I am going to discuss on Fourier series. I am going to introduce you the last part of this Fourier series, that is practical harmonic analysis. Here up to now, that is the series expansion of the function f of x of the period 2l over the interval alpha to alpha plus 2l is given by f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l with the Fourier coefficients by the Euler formulas. A naught is equal to 1 by L alpha to alpha plus 2L into f of x dx, and an is given by 1 by L alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx, and finally the Fourier coefficient Bn is defined by 1 by L alpha to alpha plus 2L into f of x sin n pi x by L. All these things were defined. But sometimes what happens in practical problems, a function f of x is specified through a table corresponding to the values of x and y. Instead of giving the function f of x, they will give the table values of x and y, wherein there will be no known functional expression for f of x, but only the values at some equidistant points of will be known. X is equidistantly displaced, then the corresponding y values will be known. In such cases, we can find the constant term and the first few cosine and sine terms numerically. This process of finding the first constant term and the few cosine and sine terms numerically is known as harmonic analysis. Okay, then how to find out this? In the Fourier series expansion of f of x, the term a naught by 2 is known as constant term, and the next term a1 into cos x plus sin x for n equal to 1, a1 into cos x plus b1 into sin x is known as my first or fundamental harmonic. Like that, a2 into cos 2x plus b2 into sin 2x is known as second harmonic, and so on. Okay, then how to find out this Fourier coefficient constant term a0, a1, b1, a2, b2 we'll discuss one by one. Next, how to find that is the formula to find a0, a1, b1, a2, b2 and so on. We know that the mean value of a continuous function y equal to f of x in the interval ab, if the values of y are given in the interval ab, then its mean is given by 1 by b minus a into integration from a to b f of x dx. This is one of the application of this integration. Okay, and that is f of x values, different such values of f of x divided by n, or I can even write summation of y divided by n, where n is the number of values, set of n values they are given. Okay, therefore we using this property I can define them. That is, we have the set of n values of y equal to f of x having the period 2l at equidistant points of x in the interval alpha to alpha plus 2l. Then a naught is defined to be 1 by L alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x dx. This is very much similar to this one, a to b f of x dx, a to b f of x dx, and this should be b minus a, that is b alpha plus 2L minus alpha is nothing but alpha cancels equal to 2L, but here only L is there. That's why what I will do, I will multiply by 2 and divide by 2L. Therefore, integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x dx. Therefore, this bracket can be replaced by mean value of the continuous function f of x, that is a summation of y, which is equal to, I can write it as 2 times summation f of x divided by n, or this is a summation of y divided by 2 times summation of y divided by n is nothing but equal to my a naught. Like that, al equal to 1 by l alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l we know. But here again b minus a is nothing but 2l, but only l is there. That's why what I will do, multiply and divide by 2l, integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l into f of x cos n pi x divided by l into dx. Okay, and this bracket can be replaced by 2 times summation f of x into cos n pi small n pi x divided by l whole divided by n, or I can write it as 2 times summation y into cos n pi x divided by l divided by n is my an. For n equal to 1, 2 and so on, this also changes. Like this we can find out. This is my an. Like that, bn is also defined the same way. That is 2 into 1 by 2l, integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l into f of x sin n pi x divided by l into dx. Then this bracket is nothing but again mean of the function f of x into sin, that is equal to 2 times summation f of x into sin n pi x divided by l the whole divided by capital N, or I can write bn is equal to 2 times summation y f of x is equal to y sin n pi x by l whole divided by n is my bn. We have to remember these three formula: a naught equal to summation y divided by n, and an equal to summation y cos n pi x by l divided by n, and bn equal to 2 summation y sin n pi x by l divided by n. If you remember these three formula and problems on this, we can solve easily. In my next video, I am going to solve a very simple example, and in detail step how to use calculator and all those things I am going to explain in that. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos, and then like the video, share it and comment for the video. Thank you friends.